Okay, it's a slow study guide. I'm going to do this pretty quick. You can put more detail. I just want to kind of touch on things really quickly. Where's the most and least potential and kinetic energy on a roller coaster? Be able to draw and label. Let's draw something like this. And your most potential energy and least kinetic energy are both going to be at the top of the first hill. And your most kinetic energy and least potential energy are going to be at the bottom of that first hill. That's all you really need to know. Why would it eventually stop if you don't hit the brakes? Friction. Using the charts, explain which has less kinetic energy and how you know this is the case. It's going to be the car. Car is lighter and slower. On the slow, it asks you to actually explain using the formula. So it's going to be KE equals 1/2 the mass velocity squared. So you're going to want to know that formula. Point D is off. It should be over here. And in that case, it's showing the trough. Line A is showing the wavelength. Point C is showing the crest. The height of a wave is known as the crest. And line B is showing the amplitude. Okay, label the source barrier and reflected beam for both a light wave and a sound wave. You're only going to need to do one on the test. Light wave, we're going to just draw a mirror. And let's see, source, reflection. And for the sound wave, I'm going to draw a guy. And I'm going to pause right here for just a second and draw the picture. Okay, I'm not going to pause because that's not working. I'm just going to draw the picture then with you watching the floor. Barrier, echo. So it's going to look something like that. You can see that it gets bigger as it comes out of the guy and comes back. Oh, and the guy is the source. Sorry about the weird camera angles here. Onto the back, trying to make this quick. Looking at the heat, what is the purpose of a wooden handle on a frying pan made out of steel? Insulator. Ask for a complete sentence on your test, but I'm just going to do it quick. Know the waves equations, that's these here. They will be on the test. And how to use them for practice. The velocity of a wave with a frequency of 6 hertz and a wavelength of 4 meters. Velocity equals frequency times wavelength. 6 times 4 is going to be 24. And velocity is measured in meters per second. And then same thing for a velocity of 24 meters per second, frequency of 4 hertz. I'm just going backwards, so I'm going to go ahead and cheat on this one and put down that it's going to be 6 meters equals your wavelength. If you're doing this on Google Classroom, this is in your symbols list. States of matter are liquid, solid, and gas. In which medium do sounds travel the fastest? Solid, fast. Slowest, gas, slowest. And hint, it's the opposite of where a person runs the fastest and the slowest. So I did that example in class where I pretended to try to run through the wall, and of course I bounced off of it and then could not get through. What is refraction and how does it affect a light wave? That is the bending of light. Okay, how does refraction make an object appear more visible in water? Think of the penny and the pencil experiment. And so it, refraction bends the light to reflect the object as floating. Okay, transformation of a match that is being lit. I think this is actually the exact same question that's on the test. So the input is an unlit match. The process, match gets lit. Desired result, fire. Other products, smoke, burnt match, That's what's going on there. It's a quick review, but it gives you a little bit of a review on your study guide for the SLO. SLO is Tuesday. Thanks so much.